Message of the day: a little progress each day adds up to big results. Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you're determined to learn, no one can stop you. Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. You are always a student, never a master. You have to keep moving forward. Write your own story with patience and determination. Success will find its way to you. Today, a reader, tomorrow, a leader. Intelligence plus character, that is the true goal of education. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. As we work to create light for others, we naturally light our own way. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Don't undervalue yourself. Thank you.